I saw something strange in the old man's eyes. He was selling things on the street corner. Most of his items looked broken and dirty, but one thing caught my attention. It was a gold watch. "How much for this watch?" I asked. The old man looked at me carefully.
"This watch is special,"
he said.
"Are you sure you want it?"
I laughed. "It's just a watch." He shook his head slowly.
$20, but remember my words. Some things should not be changed.
I gave him the money and took the watch. It felt heavy in my hand. The old man watched me walk away. I could feel his eyes on my back. At home, I put the watch on my wrist. It looked beautiful. The gold was still bright and shiny. I noticed 3 small buttons on the side. Most watches only have 1 button. This was strange. I pressed the first button. Nothing happened. I pressed the second button. Still nothing. Then I pressed the third button. The world stopped. My cat was jumping from the table, but now it was frozen in the air. The TV was on, but the people on the screen were not moving. Even the clock on the wall had stopped. My heart was beating fast. I looked at my new watch. The hands were not moving. I pressed the third button again. Everything started moving. My cat landed on the floor. The TV continued playing. I could not believe it. This watch could stop time. I spent the next hour testing the watch. I could stop time whenever I wanted. I could also move around while everything else was frozen. This was amazing. The next day was Monday. I had a big test at school. I had not studied at all. Usually, this would make me very nervous, but now I had the magic watch. I went to school and sat down for the test. When the teacher gave us the papers, I pressed the third button. Time stopped. I walked to the teacher's desk. Her answer sheet was right there. I looked at all the answers and went back to my seat. Then I pressed the button again. Time started moving. I finished the test in 10 minutes. I got every answer right. The teacher looked surprised. She asked me how I finished so quickly. I just smiled. After that day, I used the watch for everything. When I was late for the bus, I would stop time and run to catch it. When I wanted to sleep more in the morning, I would stop time for an extra hour. One day, I found out what the other buttons did. The first button made time go backward. The second button made time go forward very fast. Now I could control time completely. I started using these powers more and more. If I said something stupid, I would go back in time and say something different. If I was bored in class, I would make time go faster. I used the watch to win every game I played. I used it to avoid getting in trouble with my parents. I used it to make myself look perfect in every situation. Life became very easy. Too easy. After 3 months, I saw something terrible. I was bored, very bored. Life had no surprises anymore. I could make anything happen. I could avoid any problems. I could go back and change any mistakes. But this meant that nothing felt real anymore. When I talked to people, I knew exactly what they would say. I had heard their words many times before. When I went to new places, they did not feel new. I could go back in time and visit them again and again. I tried to have fun, but it was impossible. I could win any game, but winning felt empty. I could get anything I wanted, but wanting felt useless. I could avoid all pain, but this meant I could not feel real happiness either. One morning, I woke up and looked at the watch on my wrist. I saw something important. The old man had tried to warn me. He said some things should not be changed. Now I understood what he meant. Having complete control over time was not a gift, it was a curse. It made life empty, without surprises, without challenges, without the chance of failure. Life became nothing. I made a choice. I took the watch off my wrist. I put it in a small wooden box. I wrote a note that said, "Do not open," and put it inside the box too. Then I drove to the ocean. The waves were big and loud. I stood on the rocks and looked at the water. I thought about all the things I had done with the watch. I thought about all the time I had wasted. I threw the box as far as I could into the ocean. It disappeared under the dark water. I watched the waves for a long time. When I got home, I looked at my normal watch. It was 3:30 p.m. Time was moving forward, and I could not stop it. I could not go back and change anything. I could not make it go faster when I was bored. For the first time in months, I felt nervous about the future. I did not know what would happen tomorrow. This scared me, but it also made me feel alive again. I saw that not knowing is what makes life interesting. Challenges are what makes success feel good. The chance of failure is what makes trying worthwhile. The magic watch gave me everything I thought I wanted, but it took away the one thing that mattered most, the beautiful uncertainty of being human. Now I live each day as it comes. I cannot control time anymore, and I am happy about that. Sometimes I wonder if someone else will find that box on the beach. I hope they are smarter than I was. Do you think he did the right thing? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to improve your English. Lesson of the day. Challenge. The word challenge means a hard task or problem that needs effort to do. Example from the story. Without surprises, without challenges, without the chance of failure, life became nothing. Challenges are what make success feel good. More examples. Studying for a big test is always a challenge. Running a marathon was the hardest challenge I ever did.